This is the entrance to my house, and this is the front yard. I wonder if I can clean this up. I mean, this is quite a space, just a little bit of cutting here and there, and it can become a nice spot. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and the number one thing trending on Twitter is hashtag PUBG ban. Now, first thing I'm gonna clear right now, I don't play PUBG. So I'm gonna say shit that's gonna hurt. So if you're a PUBG lover, or if you're a PUBG fan, or if you play PUBG in general, you should probably not watch this video. Now, PUBG is huge in India. I mean, huge. It's probably bigger than Modi himself. Yes, it is bigger than Modi himself, and probably that's why the reason. I think that must be the reason why BJP is trying to ban it. Anything that's bigger than Modi, it should not be in India. This could be the master plan. I figured it out. Holy shit! I mean, at this point, it's just rumors, but if it actually did happen, it's going to have consequences, like real consequences. I mean, people kill themselves over TikTok. I'm not saying, but this can happen again. Personal opinion, I think it's a good thing for India in the long run, and hopefully for the world, if it gets banned in the entire world. It's addictive. I've played it, like, I let it go last year, but it's addictive. And PUBG skins, they're expensive, people have already bought them, there's not going to be any sort of refunds, you can believe me on that. You're gonna lose shit, okay? Don't invest. So we're out here for a walk, and this guy likes to walk, and by walking I mean literally riding another human being, like he is right now. One last thing I want to show you guys is a Python script that I made. What is a Python script? It's basically a program that runs a particular set of functions, a particular set of tasks that it has been told to. Automation is something that I've been fascinated with, like, for a very long time, and I wanted to do this, and I have finally been able to do it. Not perfectly, but it works. So let me show you exactly what happens. It's pretty fun. So for the past few days I've been writing programs, a couple of them. And the first one I have is Twitter poster, second Twitter liker, Twitter follower, and this is web scrapper. This is a whole different thing. So as the name suggests, they exactly do what their name is, and I'm gonna show you how it works, and it's pretty awesome. Let's start with Twitter liker here, okay? All you have to do is to go to run, and then run this Twitter liker file. It's a Python file, by the way, and let's see what happens. It's pretty awesome. It's just gonna start right here. This is it. This is a new Chrome window. Let me just maximize it. There it is. This is my hands. I'm not doing anything. Okay, right here. It's pretty awesome. So it automatically goes to twitter.com/login, and then waits a couple of minutes so that the website gets loaded. This is all code, by the way. It waits for 3 seconds, then types in my credentials and then hit login. Then it goes to this is it. I just logged in without logging in technically, and then this is the home page, and then it goes to this another page where I have already mentioned what hashtag to search for, and then see what happened here. It automatically liked it. There it is. It's happening behind the scenes. Everything is happening automatically, and it just goes on. It can run like for days, depending on the Twitter data, how much tweets it has. This is it. I can just be surfing the web now. I can be watching YouTube videos, and this just goes on. Awesome. Okay, so let's just minimize this. Let it keep working in the background. The second thing I want to show you is Twitter poster. Right, basically what it does is that it tweets these codes that I've already used this web scrapper thing to get all these tweets, and then I pasted it here, and then it's gonna use this to post. Now let's run this file as well. I'm on my home screen, right? This is where you usually go to tweet something, right? Now this bot automatically finds this box, clicks on it, and then takes the first quote, inserts it right here, and then it posts it. And there it is. Voila. And it just keeps going every minute one new tweet. And I can just do anything inside this tweet. I can change these hashtags depending on what's trending or depending on whatever hashtag I want to use. And it just keeps going every 2 minutes, every 1 minute. It depends on me totally. It's all coded. Let me minimize this as well. Let it keep running in the background. The next thing I want to show you is Twitter follower. This is a bit a tricky one. It's not perfect yet, but it works. Let me run this. My homepage, as you can see, the other one is already tweeting, and it goes to the same page that the Twitter liker was going, searching the hashtags and going for the latest tab. And then it starts clicking here, and then starts following. You see, I just followed a guy without actually doing anything. Followed another guy right here, and then again followed, click and followed, same guy. You see, remote jobs, right? Follow remote jobs 11. You followed remote jobs 11, and it can goes on. This is so fun even to watch. So at this point, these are my hands. There are 3 Python scripts running on my computer. One for liking the tweets, one for posting different tweets, and then one for following other people. And that's not even the fun part. Let me show you the fun part. I call this bot Jarvis from Iron Man, from the Avengers. One of my favorite characters on the set, on the movie, and probably the reason why I like Tony Stark, because he created Jarvis, and Jarvis was the one like doing all the hard work in the initial Marvel movie, in the initial Iron Man movies, like the 1 and 2. Yeah, he did all the calculations, and that's fascinating to me. So I call my assistant Jarvis. So this is the stats I'm getting. I have already, my bot Jarvis has already like 23 tweets so far, and it has posted 4 tweets. I don't want to push the limits on Twitter, so I just keep it slow. So that's it for the first vlog. I just want to keep it simple and short for the first few times, because we're starting again, and hopefully you're having a nice day. Stay indoors, stay at home, and if you get sick, please visit the hospital. Please do, and wear a mask. Peace. What the hell is this? La 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 la. Jesus, that is weird.